Hey Robin.
Hi, Robin.
Take a slow swing.
Bye.
You move so fast, man. Shit. Hi. What's that one breast? One blood. One. Ransom, oneness is what I meant to say.
Bye-bye. Robin. Fly away.
Why are you shooing it away? It's still here.
It's still
Well, what do we need to know, Divine? Love. Yeah, we don't know. What else about it? Unconditionally. Yes. The self-first. Oh, look at that, beauty. Turn your back on what? On the side, stepping. Like you know what's really good, don't you? Yes, that's an uncalled for move that you just did there. Where learn your lessons from the past to make the future change now. Changes now. Give thanks, Divine. Everything in nature has a lesson for you. When it comes to you, question it. Give thanks, Divine Ones. Oh, Robin's never stayed so close to me like this. Well, Chalice, well, must be that every sign around here is talking about this is a peace, this is a place for reflection, quiet reflection. So you know we have this we have this solemn kind of energy right now. That's the Robin is just there.
I hope I see a Robin in here.
Yeah, it's so hard to find them in London. Or to have them stay here for 2 minutes in front of you? Nah. Absolute myth.
You want to go?
Well, at least in the energy that we have. Oh my god. Cat? You do that?
Don't do that.
And you still ain't gone nowhere. Sorry there, darling. Don't mind this bush rat. It's a bit mad sometimes.
Do that.
Yeah, toot. Thanks, Divine. Alright, camera person.
Kind of person.
I said camera person. You're moving my hand well.
No, don't move this way because this might fly away. That's not a hat. Yeah, it is. That is supposed to the house. Look, I see his body going up and down.
Yeah, he's breathing.
Look, see the animals there.
Yeah.
There's just sheep and stuff over there. I want to go there.
Oh, that's a farm. That's someone else's farm, babe.
I want to go there. Oh, I wish I need to go because I love